There's something no doctor tells you when you turn 50, something that slowly steals your confidence, your energy, and yes, even your sex life. It doesn't show up overnight. It's not a virus or an obvious disease. It's a silent enemy. And if you don't catch it in time, it can ruin more than just your bedroom. This enemy doesn't just affect your body. It affects your mind, your self-esteem, your relationships. And the worst part is, most men don't even know they have it. But today, we're breaking the silence. Because this video could be a turning point in your life. And no, you don't need pills to beat it. Erectile dysfunction isn't just a matter of age. It's not that your body doesn't respond anymore. And no, it's not just about low testosterone. What's silently sabotaging your performance is something you've been feeding for years without even knowing it. It's called chronic insulin resistance. Yes, the same one linked to type 2 diabetes. But here's the key point. You don't have to be diabetic to suffer its sexual consequences. When you have insulin resistance, your body can no longer use sugar efficiently. And that destroys your blood flow. And what does your member need to work at 100%? Exactly, good circulation. This silent enemy damages the smallest blood vessels in your body. Do you know which ones those are? The ones in the penis. That's why erectile dysfunction is often the first symptom of a bigger metabolic problem. Sure, you could take the little blue pill. And yes, it might work for a while. But did you know that over 40% of men who use it eventually stop feeling any effect? Because the pill doesn't treat the root cause. It only masks the problem. And while you feel relieved for a few hours, the real enemy keeps wreaking havoc inside you, even damaging your heart. But here's the good news. The good news is that this enemy can be reversed. And you don't need medication, no surgeries, no miracle supplements. You just need 3 key steps, backed by studies and proven by thousands of men like you. Step 1. Control your blood sugar strategically. It's not just about eating fewer sweets. It's about training your body to burn fat instead of sugar. And that's done through something called intermittent fasting and cutting refined carbs. This habit activates your metabolism and naturally reduces inflammation. Step 2. Boost your testosterone without injections. Did you know that walking 30 minutes a day and doing strength training twice a week can raise your testosterone more than an expensive gel? And if you add vitamin D, quality sleep, and lower stress, you've got a winning combo. Step 3. Restore blood flow with these foods. Pomegranate, turmeric, garlic, omega-3, green tea. All of these help clean your arteries and improve circulation. The result? Stronger, longer-lasting erections, and an intimate life like you had 20 years ago. Let me share a personal story a friend told me. He was 56 and he felt like his sex life was over. He and his wife barely talked about it anymore. He felt ashamed, powerless. But when he realized it wasn't his fault, it was his habits, everything changed. Today, he feels more alive than ever, and he hasn't taken a single pill. He just changed what he eats, how he sleeps, adjusted his daily habits, and transformed his life. This isn't just about sex. It's about feeling strong, confident, and alive again. This silent enemy has destroyed the intimate lives of millions of men. But you won't be just another one. Today, you have the knowledge. Today, you have the power. You decide whether to keep hiding behind excuses or take the first step to reclaim your energy, your desire, and your life. Share this video with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more life-changing content. And remember, your best version is still ahead.